Hello, our art friends! Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Muffin from Bluey. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. And the smaller one inside, then color it. Draw a horizontal line slightly tilted, coming out from the right side of the eye. Then draw a triangular shape for the nose. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw half an oval shape over the nose part, and a smaller one inside, then color it to make the other eye. Extend the curved line, coming down from the nose, then going to the left. Then draw a letter C at its end and extend its lower part, then make a tiny line going down at its end. Draw a wavy line at the top of the mouth for the teeth, then make a curved line at the bottom for the tongue. Connect the teeth to the bottom part of the mouth. Draw a thick eyebrow over each eye that looks like a bean. Connect the two eyebrows together with a horizontal line. Extend the curved line, coming out from the left eyebrow, then going down. Make a similar line coming down from the right eyebrow to make the sides of the body. Inside the body, a little to the left, draw two vertical lines for the arm. Finish the arm by drawing a hand with 4 fingers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Decorate the arm with a horizontal line in the middle. Connect the two sides of the body to the hand. Draw 2 diagonal lines coming out from the right side of the body for the other arm. Finish the arm by drawing a hand with 4 fingers and a curve in the middle of the palm. Decorate the arm with a line in the middle. Draw 2 vertical lines coming down from the bottom of the body and make the one on the right shorter. Finish the leg by drawing a paw with 2 curved lines for the toes. Decorate the leg with a horizontal line in the middle. Repeat the same steps for the other leg. Draw a curved line coming out from the left side of the body and another one coming out from the left leg. Connect them together with some curves to make the tail. Decorate the tail with a curved line in the middle. Draw an upside down letter V over the right eyebrow for the ear. Then draw another smaller one inside. Draw the other ear similarly. Decorate Muffin with some curved lines around the eyes. Then 2 curves on each leg, and half circles on the arms. Make a couple of large circles under the mouth. Then draw a curved line connecting the left eye to the bottom of the mouth. My name is Boo Boo Papu. Now you can draw Muffin from Bluey. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.